Bumbo live in a box behind house on hill. Bumbo have trash, Bumbo have coin, life good. Bumbo happy. That till Bumbo hear voice from above. That nice coin you have there, Bumbo. That on you coin, Bumbo yell. Go away from it. Suddenly bad guy come and take coin. Then vanish down hole. Bumbo think fast, grab trash, jump down hole after coin. Monster try and stop Bumbo, but Bumbo smart. Bumbo use trash and fist fight them. Nothing stop Bumbo. Bumbo what? Coin.
What is going on, everybody? Noble here with you guys today. In the past, I made a video on how to fix your black screen with OBS, but I had some comments saying that once your screen capture black screen was fixed, you were not able to capture your gameplay on your PC. So in this video, we're just going to go over everything again, just so I can show you guys how to switch back and forth between your screen display capture black screen and your gameplay PC black screen, and how to go ahead and fix that. Hopefully I explained that well enough. Let's go ahead and open up OBS. Now I've got this set up right now for console gaming. I've got my PlayStation hooked up right now. I can easily go ahead and hook up my Switch, my Xbox, my Stadia, anything that we can hook up through HDMI, we can go ahead and hook up. Now I've got the volumes muted because you guys can't hear anything, and it's going to be kind of distracting based on what I'm trying to show you. But you guys can see that the PlayStation is on. The Elgato is recording the PlayStation sound. So that's all well and good. But if you want to capture your screen, this screen right here, as I said, if I'm trying to do PC capture, for me, that's my screen capture, it's just black. In order to go ahead and fix that, we've talked about this before, but let me just walk you guys through it again. You go to your desktop, you right click, you're going to go down to display settings. Scroll all the way down to graphic settings, and then find your OBS. Now I'll do this again because some people had some issues with this, but let's go ahead and remove this just so I can show you. You're going to click on either desktop or Microsoft app. I think the best option for me is desktop app. Click on your C drive here, go on over to program files, look for OBS Studio. After that, go to bin, 64-bit, OBS 64, that is the application. So we're going to click on that and we're going to add it. Now that's going to bring this here. Now if you want to capture your screen for screen capture, in order to fix your black screen display capture, we're going to go to options and we're going to go to power saving. We're going to go ahead and click on save, and we're going to close this, and we're also going to close OBS. So let's go ahead and close that. Now once that's done, we're going to reopen OBS again, and it should be working. You guys can see we've got display capture here. I'll move this off to the side so that you guys can see it is working. So we are capturing our display, which is perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. But I've also got a game running right now, the Legend of Bumbo. So if we were just finished capturing our display and we wanted to go back and record some PC gaming, you would see that we've got a black screen, and that's an issue. The way to go ahead and fix that is very simple. We're going to do the exact same thing, but choose the different option. So again, you would minimize OBS. You're going to right click on your desktop, go down to display settings, scroll down to graphic settings, and all you're going to do here is change your power saving options to high performance. Go ahead and click on save. We're going to close this. Once again, we're going to close OBS. There's a lot of people that forget to do that step and they think it still doesn't work. So we're going to go ahead and reopen OBS once that's done. And you guys will see that I've got the Legend of Bumbo right here playing, and everything is nice and fixed. We can go ahead and record our PC gameplay. Now, just to show you guys that this is working, I have put everything on mute so you guys don't hear anything, but if we unmute this, you guys can see the Legend of Bumbo gameplay and gameplay audio are working just fine. Now again, the issue with this is that if you want to go back and do PC capture or some capture for your display, you're going to have a black screen again. So once again, just to go ahead and finish this video off, you're going to go to your desktop, go to display settings, scroll down one more time, go back to graphics settings, and change your options from high performance to power saving. Go ahead and click on save, close this, and close OBS. Whenever you go ahead and reopen it, you'll have the option to capture your display, but you will not be able to capture your gameplay whenever you go back to it. So it's just a very simple thing that you can do that people have been asking questions. Yes, you fixed my display screen capture, but now I can't record my gameplay. Or my gameplay isn't working, but I can go ahead and record my display. So it's just having to go back and forth between those two things. It's kind of a pain in the butt. I do hope that they have a patch for OBS so that we don't have to mess with any of this sometime soon. But I wanted to put this video out because although I did fix your display capture black screen, people were complaining that they were not able to go back and record their gameplay on PC. So hopefully this video clears everything up. Hopefully it helped you guys out. And if you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. And we will see you guys next time.
And on you, coin, Bumbo yelled. Go away from it.